Welcome to Literature with Sasha. In today's video, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of research methodology, specifically how data collection, management, and analysis shape the core of any research project. Whether you are a student researcher or just curious about how to turn raw data into valuable insights, you are in the right place. Let's explore how these crucial steps can break or make your research. Stay tuned. Data collection, data management, data analysis in research methodology. Introduction. In the world of research, data is everything. Whether you are exploring a scientific phenomena, studying social behavior, or analyzing market trend, the way you collect, manage, and analyze data determines the quality and reliability of your research findings. Data collection, management, and analysis form the backbone of any study and are crucial steps in producing accurate, actionable results. This video dives into these three pillars of research methodology, exploring their significance, best practice, and methods to ensure your research is credible and robust. What is data collection? Data collection is the first step in the research process. It involves gathering relevant data from various sources to answer specific research questions or test hypotheses. Depending on the nature of the study, data collection can be both qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative data. This type of data is descriptive and focuses on understanding concepts, experiences, or phenomena. It often collected through interviews, focus groups, or observation. Quantitative data. Quantitative data is numerical and can be measured and analyzed statically. Surveys, experiments, and questionnaires are common methods used for gathering quantitative data. Methods of data collection: surveys and questionnaires, interviews, observations, and experiments. Surveys and questionnaires, one of the most common techniques of data collection. Surveys are often used in both qualitative and quantitative research. They allow researchers to collect a large amount of data in a short period. Interviews. These are a personal or group discussions that aim to extract detailed insights from participants. Interviews can be structured, semi-structured, or unstructured depending on the level of flexibility required. Observation. This method involves directly observing subjects in their natural setting without interference. It is particularly useful for qualitative research. Experiments. In experimental research, researchers manipulate one or more variables to observe the effects or other variables, providing quantitative data that can be analyzed statically. Challenges in data collection: bias. Researcher bias, selection bias, or response bias can skew result, leading inaccurate conclusion. Ethical issues. Researcher must ensure that data collection method respect participants' rights, privacy, and consent. The importance of data management in research. Once data is collected, the next step is data management. Effective data management ensures that information gathered is organized, stored, and accessible for analysis. It also guarantees the integrity and security of the data throughout the research process. What is data management? Data management involves a series of processes that allow researchers to handle data efficiently. This includes storing data, cleaning it, removing error or inconsistencies, and ensuring that it is well documented for future references. Key principles of data management: organization. Proper categorization of data ensures that researcher can easily access and interpret the data later. This may involve creating database, spreadsheets, or data tables. Security. Data must be kept secure to prevent unauthorized access or tampering. Researcher must use encryption methods, secure survey, or password protection to safeguard sensitive information. Documentation. Through documentation of data, including the method used for collection and changes made during management, and the context behind the data, is vital for future analysis. Data management tools and software. There are many tools available to help researchers manage data more efficiently. Some commonly used can include Excel, Google Sheet, Qualtrics, R and Python, SPSS, and SAS. Excel, Google Sheet for simple data organization and management. Qualtrics, a platform that supports data collection, analysis, and management. R and Python, programming language widely used for data analysis and management. SPSS and SAS, software used for data management and analysis, especially in social science. Data analysis. Data analysis is the process of examining the data collected to draw a conclusion and make decisions. Without proper analysis, even the most carefully collected and well-managed data would be useless. Types of data analysis: descriptive analysis, inferential analysis, exploratory data analysis, predictive analysis, qualitative analysis. Method of data analysis: statistical software, data visualization, Manual analysis programs like SPSSR and SAS allow researchers to apply complex statistical tests and their data, ensuring valid and reliable results. Data visualization tools like Tableau and Microsoft Power BI enable researchers to visualize trend patterns or relationships in data through graphs and charts, making it easier to communicate findings. Manual analysis for qualitative data. Researcher may manually review text, audio, or video data to identify themes or draw conclusions. This method can be time consuming but provides deeper insight into the context. Changes in data analysis, data overload, interpretations, error, bias in analysis. Number 1. Data overload. With the vast amount of data, it can become overwhelming to extract meaningful insight without appropriate tools or techniques. Interpretation errors. Inaccurate analysis or interpretation can lead to misleading results, affecting the credibility of the research. Bias in analysis. Just like data collection, analysis can also be subject to biases. Researchers must be careful to avoid introducing their own assumptions or expectations into analysis process. Best practices for data collection, management, and analysis. Number 1. Develop a clear research plan before beginning. Establish clear objective for data collection, management, and analysis. Know what type of data you need and how you will handle it at each stage. Number 2. Ensure data quality. Regularly check for missing data, errors, and inconsistencies. High quality data is essential for reliable results. Number 3. Use the right tools. Leverage software and tools that suit your research needs. Tools like R, Excel, and SPSS can make managing and analyzing data more efficient and accurate. Number 4. Maintain ethical standards. Always respect the privacy and consent of your participant. Ethical data handling, ensuring the integrity of your research and the safety of your subject. Number 5. Collaborate with experts. In complex research, collaborating data scientists or experts in the field can improve the accuracy and reliability of your analysis. Conclusion. Data management, data collection, and analysis are the cornerstones of any successful research project. By understanding and implementing effective strategies for these stages, researchers can ensure that their findings are reliable, valid, and impactful. Whether you are gathering qualitative insights and quantitative measurements, the integrity of your data directly affects the outcome of your study. That's all for today's discussion on data collection, management, and analysis in research methodology. I hope this video helped clarify how these essential steps play a huge role in producing credible, reliable research. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one, and until then, keep learning and keep growing.